Welcome back. Now the next tab over is going to be the References tab. And if you are writing formally, this is where you are going to insert your citations for references throughout your writing. And in that case, you're likely to either be using either footnotes or endnotes. Now if you are writing for academic purposes, you can use the style guide. And Microsoft Word has a style guide within it for APA, the Chicago, and other academic references. Microsoft Word actually gives you the opportunity to do a lookup of specific words inside of your document. So for example, if you highlight a certain term and you click the Smart Lookup, what will happen on your right side panel is you'll get articles that you can view on your chosen text. What you can also do is use the Researcher tab. Now the Researcher tab will pull open a sidebar. You can write in the term that you'd like to research. You'll then hit Enter. And what the Researcher tab does is it gives you citable sources as well as images that you can place inside of your document with the proper references. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.